shadows, a ghost in the light, carrying burdens she hides out of sight. Her voice is quiet, her heart feels alone. In a crowded world, she's on her own. Her eyes tell stories her lips never share, a world of pain she's too scared to bear. Each step she takes is a cry for grace, but the tears in her silence leave no trace. Tears in her silence, falling unseen, a heart full of sorrow where love's never been. She's breaking inside, though she wears a strong face. Her pain lives in shadows, in an unspoken space. She holds her reflection, a mask of disguise, hiding the anguish that pools in her eyes. She wants to be heard, but the words don't come. She's lost in a rhythm that leaves her numb. Her laughter is hollow, her smile's just a lie, a shield to the questions of why does she cry. She yearns for a moment, a hand to hold tight, to guide her through the long, lonely night. Tears in her silence, falling unseen, a heart full of sorrow where love's never been. She's breaking inside, though she wears a strong face. Her pain lives in shadows, in an unspoken space. Yeah. But somewhere deep inside there's a flame, a whisper of hope calling her name. Through the silence she starts to believe her tears are a story that her heart can relieve. Tears in her silence, falling unseen, a heart full of sorrow where love's never been. She's breaking inside, though she wears a strong face. Her pain lives in shadows, in an unspoken space. Yeah. 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 Tears in her silence, now washed away, replaced with the strength to face a new day. Her heart's no longer a prisoner of pain. She's free to love and live again, no longer a prisoner of unspoken pain. She steps from the shadows, no longer in